In this video, you're going to be working with checking spelling and editing text by dragging and dropping. InDesign has features for checking spelling similar to options on word processing programs. You can check the spelling in selected text, an entire story, all the stories in a document, or all the stories on several open documents at once. To customize which words are flagged as possible misspellings, you can add words to your document's dictionary. In addition, you can have InDesign flag possible spelling issues and correct spelling as you type. Before a document is ready for print or electronic distribution, it is a good idea to check spelling. Using the type tool, click before the first word in the article you have been working on where it says when, right here. Next, go up to Edit and go to Spelling, and then check Spelling. This is the Check Spelling dialog box, and you notice the first misspelling is museum. InDesign highlights the first occurrence of Alexis if it hasn't misspelled it, which is right here, Alexes. You can click Ignore for Alexis, and you can click Ignore for Meridian if it's flagged, or Skip if that's an option. In this case, my first item that has been flagged is museum. And when the word museum is flagged, that just means the scan choices suggest a correction list. In our option, we are choosing the first one, the most used item right here, museum. And then you can click Change. Handle the remaining possible spelling issues as follows. For Meridian, click Ignore All. For Brutalist, you can skip. For Transportation, type Transportation, Transportation, Portation, in the Change To dialog box to click Change. For any other flagged words, click Skip. These will likely include emailed, nonprofits, Nehru, Palm, Grayson, hotspots, and then you can click Done. Next, we're going to add words to our dictionary. You can add words to your user dictionary or a document-specific dictionary just by making sure your text is selected. Go back to Edit and Spelling, and go to your user dictionary, which is down here. User dictionary. And for the 06 text, from the target menu, 05, you'll notice we don't have 06 text. The reason for that is because we have not saved it yet. So let's go ahead and exit out of this, and we'll go to File, Save As, and we'll name it 06 underscore text, TEXT dot INDD. And you can save that in your Lesson 6 folder. Now we can go back to Edit. We can go to Spelling and User Dictionary, and in the target we should be able to select 06 text dot INDD. Type Meridian in the word box. Instead of when, type Meridian. Capital M M-E-R-I-D-I-E-N. Select case sensitivity down here because we want meridian to be capitalized. This ensures that a lowercase use of meridian is still flagged when you check spelling. Then click Add, and then click Done. That's how you add items to your dictionary. Another way to check the spelling is with automatic correction. Autocorrect with InDesign automatically corrects misspelled words as you type them. In order to turn autocorrect on, you go up to Edit and you go to Preferences. And from Preferences, you're going to need to select Autocorrect. Once you have opened up the preferences with autocorrect, select the Enable Autocorrect option. By default, the list of commonly misspelled words for English is USA. Enable Autocorrect. Select. Make sure this is checked. In the language, try different languages. Here's Hebrew, for example. Sometimes they may not have correct spellings or languages for that for InDesign. This is French. These are misspelled words in French, and these are the corrections for them. Take a moment or so to look at this list to see different languages with misspellings. Here's Danish, and there may be a lot of them that don't have actual items for them. And then once you're finished, go to English, USA. The editors have realized that the name of their city, for example, Meridian, is frequently typed as Meridian, M-E-R-E-D-I-E-N, with an E in the middle rather than an I. You will prevent this mistake by adding the misspelling and correct spelling to the autocorrect list. Click Add right down here, and we're going to type M-E-R-E-D-I-E-N, and the correction is M-E-R-I-D-I-E-N. After that, click OK. And you can click OK. Now, you can select anywhere in your text, and you can type Meridian the misspelled way. Capital M-E-R-E-D-I-E-N with a space, and it will automatically format it to I-D-I-E-N. And then you can delete that, Control Z. You can press backspace to get rid of it as well.